As a camper van converter or even a self-builder, we are finding that more and more modern vehicles these days have what's called a smart alternator. Now, the alternator on your vehicle is to charge the vehicle battery whilst the engine is running. Now, that alternator will also charge your leisure battery when you've got the required split chargers or relays in place, right? The job of a smart alternator is the smart alternator is being used more and more by manufacturers these days in order to reduce the emissions of that vehicle to comply with Euro 5 and 6 regulations. So, the traditional alternator in your vehicle will provide a constant 13 to 14 volts DC to your battery. Okay, and the job of a smart alternator is to reduce the voltage output when driving, which reduces the emissions, and then when you let off the accelerator, the voltage output from that alternator will spike up to about 17 volts DC and quickly charge the leisure battery in stages. Now, as a converter or a self-converter such as yourselves, this will cause problems because the regular split charge relays that we know and we've described in previous videos, it can't cope with those spikes of voltage DC. So what we need to do is find out what alternator we have in our vehicle, and then we need to ensure that we have the right split charger or intelligent smart charger in order that our leisure battery is charged in a safe and correct manner when using it in our vehicle. A traditional alternator is designed to provide your battery with a constant DC charge. The smart alternator is designed to vary that charge in order to comply with EU emissions regulations. But how do you know which alternator you have in your van? Next video, we show you how to test your van to find out which alternator you have. Thank you very much for watching this episode of The Daily Transmission. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future episodes. If you'd like to check out the playlist for this series or any other, please head down to the description where you will find a link. If you'd like to support Combe Valley Campers, head over to our website at www.combevalleycampers.co.uk where you will find links to our web store and our Patreon page. Please follow us in between episodes at our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. Thanks very much. Bye-bye.